Hi everyone, I hope you all safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video, we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy Chapter 5 Trial Balance Exercise Sum number 4. Prepare the trial balance from the following balances of Babu as on 31st March 2016. Cash in hand 7,000 rupees. Cash in hand, that means any type of cash is an asset account. Whenever asset account increases, we debited the asset account. That means cash account will be debited. So cash in hand 7,000 rupees is entered on debit balance. Then sundry debtors 5,400. Sundry debtors comes under asset account. Asset accounts will be goes to debit balance. So sundry debtors 5,400 is entered on debit balance. Then salary rupees 6,800. Salary is an expenses. All the expenses will be debited. So salaries 6,800 will be debit balance is entered on debit balance. Then bad debts 200 rupees. Bad debts is an kind of asset. Whenever asset account increases, we debited the asset accounts. So bad debts 200 is entered on debit balance. Then opening stock rupees 15,400. Opening stock, that means stock of the current account period. Okay, this is the opening stock of the Babu's trial balance. So stock is comes under asset account. Whenever asset account increases, we debited the asset account. So opening stocks 5,400 is entered on debit balance. Then bills receivable 7,000 rupees. Bills receivable is a kind of asset account. So whenever asset account increases, we debited the asset account. So bills receivable 7,000 rupees is entered on debit balance. Then sundry creditors 11,800. Here they given creditors. Okay, so sundry creditors is an credit balance. So sundry creditors 11,800 is entered on credit balance. Then capital rupees 25,000. Capital accounts is always credit balance. So capital 25,000 is entered on credit balance. Then purchases rupees 45,000. Purchases is an expenses account. All expenses will be debited. So purchases 45,000 is entered on debit balance. Then sales rupees 50,000. Sales is an income or revenue. So whenever revenue increases, we credited the revenue account. That means sales account will be credited. So sales rupees 50,000 is entered on credit balance. So we entered all the information given below. We entered on trial balance. Okay, what we do now, we are going to calculate debit balance separately and credit balance separately to find debit balance total separately and credit balance total separately. First we find debit balance total. How do we find it? We have to calculate, that means we have to add all the values of the debit balance. So for that we have to add 7,000 plus 5,400 plus 7,000 plus 6,800 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 15,400 plus 45,000. How much we will get? We will get 86,800 from debit balance. This is the total for debit balance. Then we have to find credit balance total separately. So what we do? We have to calculate, that means we have to add the credit balance values. So for that we have to add 11,800 plus 25,000 plus 50,000. How much we get? We will get 86,800. So listen here carefully. Debit and credit balances are same value. So the total of debit balance and credit balance is always equal. So what is the answer is given here? Given here the trial balance total is 86,800. We also find the total of trial balance is 86,800 on both debit and credit side total. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on comment box. Thank you. Take care.